Hello students, welcome to SGRBCC. Today we will discuss paper number 315, directions 1 to 5. See the first one. 8 people A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H are sitting around a square shaped table facing the center but not necessarily in the same order. 4 of them are seated at the 4 corners and the rest of them seated at the midpoint of the each side of the square side. So here we have totally 8 persons are there. These 8 persons are sitting around a square table. 4 of them sitting corners and remaining sitting in the middle of the table. All of the people facing the center. Next, see the first one. A and B are sitting opposite to each other and both of them sit at corner. Next, C is sitting just next to A. So both A and B both are corner and opposite to each other. C is sitting just next to A. So C and C, two possibilities. D is sitting opposite to H. So D is the opposite to H. And next E is sitting exactly between D and F. So E is exactly between D and F. Okay, so these three are in one side. And next E is not just next to H, G is sitting just left to H. So here D, E, F, these three are at one place. Suppose if D is placing here and H is opposite to D and E is between F and D, it is one possibility. Coming to this one, if D is placing, H is placing here and next E and F. E is not just next to H. So E is not just next to H. G is sitting just left to H antunnadu. So G is the just next to H. So here G is placing, here G is placing. So here G is right of H and here G is the left of H. So this one is not correct. Only this possibility is correct. So D, E. Okay. Let us move on to the questions. Question number 1. Who among the following person is sitting opposite to G? So opposite to G, that is E. Who among the following person sitting second to the right of A? So second to the right of A, that is G. How many persons sit between C and F? So between C and F, there are 3 persons are there. Who is exactly between A and G? That is C, and coming to here, F is the exactly middle. So F is the answer. We don't have C. Question number 5. Which of the following statement is not true regarding the information? F and C sitting not at the corner but sitting opposite to each other. So F and C. So F and C both are not opposite to corner and these two are sitting opposite to each other. And next C is just next to G. So it is also correct. D is sitting third to the left of B. So D is the third to the right of B actually. So this one is not correct. Option 3 is the answer. Next. So 6 to 10 we have syllogism. So chudandi okasari. Only one, only two, either one or two and neither one or two, and option 5, that is both 1 and 2 follows. All dogs are reptiles. All dogs are reptiles. Some reptiles are venomous. Some reptiles are venomous. No venomous is pet. Conclusions. All dogs are pets. So dogs here, pets here. No relation between both. First one is not correct. Some reptiles are not pets. So actually some part of reptiles are venom. No venom is pets kabatti. So some reptiles are pets, not pets is definitely follows. Option 2. Next, question number 7. All politicians are honest. So all politicians are honest. Some honest is poor. It is politicians. Some poor are celebrity. Some poor are celebrity. Conclusions. Some politicians are poor. So politicians here and poor here. Some is not follow. Some celebrities are not honest. So it is negative statement. So celebrities here, honest here. It is also not follows. Only doctors are painters. So all painters are doctors. So painters related only with doctors. No doctors are writer. So no doctors are writer. Some writers are musician. No painter is a writer. So painter here, writer here, first one definitely follows. Some musicians are not doctors. So some part of musicians are writer and no writer is a doctor kabatti this conclusion is also definitely follows. Option 5 is the answer. Next question number 9. Only a few parties are liars. So only a few parties are liars. Some liars are bottles and no bottle is the leader. Conclusion, no leader is a party. So leader here, party here, no definite relation between both. So first one is not follows. Some liar is not a leader. So liar here and liar here, some not. So this part of liar is the bottle, no bottle is liar kabatti second one definitely follows. Option 2 is the answer. Question number 10. None birds are mammals. So no birds is mammal. No mammal is reptile and some reptiles are cold blooded. Some reptiles are cold blooded. Some birds are not reptiles. Birds here and reptiles here, there is no relation between both. So this one is not follows. No cold blooded is mammal. So cold blooded here, mammal here, no definite relation between both. So second one is also not follow. Option 4 is the answer. Study the following information carefully and answer the questions given below. 7 students A, B, C, D, E, F and G have different positions but not necessarily in the same order. Captain, vice captain, head girl, head boy, perfect, house captain and house vice captain in a school. So the order of seniority is the same as given, that is captain is the senior most and house vice captain is the junior most position. So starting from captain and vice captain, head girl and next head boy, perfect, house captain, house vice captain. Okay, so see the first one. F is the perfect of the school. So F is the perfect of the school. And next there are 3 positions between C and E who is just senior to D. So there are 3 persons are between C and E who is just senior to D. Okay, so how many possibilities are there? Suppose if C is placing here 1, 2, 3, here E is placing, E is the immediate senior to D. And next coming to this one, so here E is placing and D is immediately junior to E and between E and C there are 3 persons are there. Coming to the next possibility, that is E is placing here 1, 2, 3, here F is placing, here D is placing. So there are 3 possibilities are there. And next there are 2 positions between G and B who is senior to E. So between G and B, so who is senior to E and B is not the senior most student. Suppose if B is placing here, B is the senior most, this possibility is not required. And next G and B there are 2 positions. Suppose if B is placing here, we don't have any place to fix G here, this one is also not correct. Coming to this one, so G, suppose if place G here and 1, 2, here B is placing, who is senior to E, so possible. Next remaining person, that is A is placing here. Let us move on to the questions. See the first question. Who among the following students hold the position head girl? So head girl, that is A. Who among the following student is house captain in the school? So house captain, that is E. How many positions are between position of student A and D? So A and D there are between 3 persons. Who among the following is just junior to F in the school hierarchy? So that is E. Who among the following student is the senior most among the positions? That is G is the senior most. Next, so here we have inequalities. See the first one, question number 16. D greater than A. So D here, A here, and coming to A, so A less than or equal to D. So first one is definitely follows. And E less than B. So E here and B here. Here opposite sign is there. So second one is not follow. Option 1 is the answer. Next, question number 17. X greater than B. So X here and B here. Before B, here we have opposite sign is there. So first one is not follow. And A less than Y. So A here, Z here. So Y equal to Z and Z greater than or equal to A. So we have only less than. Kabatti second one is also not follow. Question number 18. P less than M. So P to O, O to M. So suddenly P to O and O less than N, N less than or equal to M. So first one definitely follows. Next, T greater than N. So T greater than N. So starting from N, here opposite sign is there. Second one is not follow. What is the answer? Question number 18. And question number 18, that is option 1 is the answer. And 19. F greater than J. So starting from J, in front of J we have opposite sign is there. This one is not correct. Next, question 19th lo conclusion 2. I less than or equal to G. So I equal to H, G greater than or equal to H. Second one is definitely follows. So G greater than or equal to H, H equal to I. Okay, so second one definitely follows. Option 2 is the answer. 20th question. N greater than K. So N greater than K, and here opposite signs are there. First one is not follow. And O less than M. So in front of O we have opposite sign. Second one is also not follow. So what is the answer? Option 4 is the answer. Next, 21 to 25. 9 persons A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I attend a seminar on 3 different dates, that is 7th, 15th, 25th of the 3 different months, March, June, October, and there are totally 9 persons are there. So see the first one, what are the months? That is March, next June, and next October. So what are the dates? 7th, 15th and 25th. And March has 31 days, June 30 and October 31 days. Let us move on to the puzzle. So see the first one. Each person attend the seminar only once, and there were 3 persons attend seminar on each date. Okay, so 3 dates we have. See the first one, A and C attend the seminar on 7th. A did not attend the seminar in October. Okay, so A and C both are in 7th, and we don't know which month that is, and A did not attend the seminar in October. So A is not in October. Suppose, so first possibility A and C, and here also C. Okay, coming to this one, so A and C, it is the second possibility. And coming to the third one, if A is March and C is placing here, and coming to this one, if A is here, C is placing here. Okay, so total 4 possibilities. We have total 4 possibilities. Next, A did not on October. D, E, F attend the seminar in June. So D, E, F all are in June. So D, E and F. So this possibility is not correct, and next this one is also not correct. These 3 are not following. Why? Because in June we have A, C. Kabatti only one possibility we require, that is A and C. So I am going to rough here everything. So see, so A is placing here and C is placing here. Remaining D, E, F are placing here. We don't know where D, E, F are placing. Next, 4 persons attend the seminar between D and G. So between D and G there are totally 4 persons. If D is placing here 1, 2, 3 and 4, here G is placing. Next, what is the next? We have only one possibility is there. Suppose if D is placing 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. This one is not required. Suppose D is placing here 1, 2, 3, 4. Already here A is there. Only one possibility we are getting. Next point. F and H attend the seminar on the same date. F and H both are same date. H attend just after H. So just after I, H, and between H and F there are same date. Both are in same date. So see, suppose if H 12th, 25th and F is also 25th. Why? Because F attend in June and FH is immediately after I. It is the one possibility we required. So coming to the June, we left only E. The remaining person B is placing here. So it is the final arrangement of the puzzle. See the question, student. Question, student. Question number 21. Who among the following person attend the seminar on 15th October? So 15th October, that is B. Who among the following person attend the seminar exactly between A and C? So between A and C, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, total 5 persons are there, and exactly between, so A and C, 1, 2, 3, it is D. Next, how many persons attend the seminar after F? So total 1, 2, 3, 3 persons. Who among the following person attend the seminar just after H? So just after H, that is D. Who among the following attend seminar on 15th? So 15th March, that is I, and June E, and next October B. I, E, B. So I, E and B. Option 3 is the answer. Next. A group of friends went on a hike and got separated along the way. Friend A is 2 miles north of friend D and who just 10 miles of friend C. So first of all, starting from A. A is 2 miles north of D. So A here, A is the 2 miles north of D and who is 10 miles of east of C. So D is the 10 miles of C. And next, friend B 3 miles south of A. So already in south of A, that is D, between both there are 2 miles, and B is 3 miles in the sense. So B is placing here, it is 1. So 2 plus 1, that is total 3 miles. Next, and so continuous. So friend B is 3 miles south of A and 4 miles west of friend E. So 4 miles west of friend E. Friend E is 2 miles west of friend F. E is 2 miles west of friend F and 2 miles north of friend G. So 2 miles north of friend G. So it is the final arrangement. Let us move on to the questions. See the first question. Question number 26. In which direction G with respect to A? So G here and A here. So G is the southeast of A. What is the shortest distance between B and F? So B here and F here. So 4 plus 2, that is 6 miles. In which direction C with respect to E? So C here and next E here. So C is the northwest of E. What is the total distance from D to F? So from D to F. So see, 1 plus 4 plus 2, it is total 7 miles. Next, 30 to 34. 8 persons A to H sitting around a circular table, but not necessarily in the same order, all of them facing away from the center of the table. So total 8 persons are there. All are facing away from the table. A sits third to the right of B, who is 2 places away from F. So first of all, A sits third to the right of B. So A is the third to the right of B. Suppose B is placing here 1, 2, 3, and B is placing here 1, 2, 3. A is placing here. Who is 2 places away from F? Suppose if F is placing 2 places away, F is placing 2 places away. And next point, the number of persons sit between F and G when counted from the right of F is the same number of persons sitting between F and G when counted from the left of F. So here between F and G, when counted from right of F is equals to left of G, in the sense both F and G are opposite to each other. Here G is placing, here G is placing. So right of F, that is 3, left of F also, that is 3. And next, C sits 2 places to the left of H, who is not adjacent to G. So H is not adjacent to G, and suppose if H is placing here, and if H is placing here, C is 2 places to the left of H. So it is right, here C is placing. Coming to the second possibility, H is not adjacent to G, in the sense suppose if H is placing here, C is placing here. And next point, E is adjacent to C. So E is the adjacent to C. Only one place we left, that is E. We don't have any place to fix E here, so this possibility is not correct. Only this one is the correct. The remaining person D is placing here. So it is the final arrangement of the puzzle. Question number 30. Who among the following persons sit immediate left of B? So immediate left of B, that is H. How many persons are there between F and D when counted from left of D? So F here and D here. So when counted from left of D, 1, 2, there are 2 persons are there. Who sits opposite to D? That is C. Which of the following pairs of persons are adjacent to each other? A and B. So A and B not adjacent. BD. So BD both are adjacent to each other. Who among the following sits second to the left of G? So second to the left of G, that is B. Next, question number 35. If we want if we form a 6-letter meaningful word, first, second, fourth, fifth, seventh, and ninth letter from the left end of the word different. So different. From this word, we have to make one meaningful word by using first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth, seventh, and eighth, ninth. So D, I, F, E, E, and T. By using these letters, how many meaningful words are forming? So see, if you observe carefully, by using these letters, we can't make any meaningful word. So what is the answer? If no meaningful word is formed, then mark as Z. So what is the answer? Z is the answer. Next, 36 to 40. 7 people A, B, C, D, E, F, and G are sitting in a row. Some of them facing north and some of them facing south, but not necessarily in the same order. Not more than 2 people facing the same direction who sit next to each other. Okay, not more than 2 people are same direction. So 1, 2, 3, it is the middle one. Okay, see the first one. G is facing north and is sitting at one of the extreme ends of the row. So G is facing north direction. So it is the north, it is the south. B is facing south and is sitting 2 seats away from G. So B is facing south. Next, C is facing north and is sitting 2 seats to the right of E. And A is facing north and sitting exactly between E and F, who is facing the same direction as E. So here C is facing north, sitting 2 seats to the right of E. Suppose if E is placing here, suppose E is placing south, E is facing south, C is north, second to the right, so that is C is placing, and C is facing north. It is the one possibility. Suppose if E is facing north direction, 1, 2, here C is placing, in this place C is facing, he is facing north. But what is the one more condition? A is facing north and sit exactly between E and F. Suppose if E here, here already B is there, kabatti this possibility is not correct. సో ఇక్కడ మనకి ఏముంది, ఇక్కడ ఈ ఉన్నాడు, ఒకవేళ ఇక్కడ సి ఉంటే కనుక మనము బీని ఫిక్స్ చేసుకోలేం, ఏని తర్వాత ఎఫ్ని మనం ఫిక్స్ చేసుకోలేం, కాబట్టి వాట్ వీ కెన్ డూ, దిస్ పాసిబిలిటీ ఈజ్ నాట్ కరెక్ట్. సపోజ్ కమింగ్ టు దిస్ వన్, ఏ ఈజ్ ఫేసింగ్ నార్త్ and sitting exactly between E and F. Suppose if F is facing here and A is facing, he is north direction, and F who is facing same direction as E, ante F vachesi ikkada kuchuntadu. And coming to the second possibility, and ikkada chudandi, C is facing north, sitting 2 seats to the right of E. Suppose if E is facing here and C is north, and next A is facing north, sit exactly between E and F. ఇక్కడ మనకి ఈని ఎఫ్ని ఎక్కడ ప్లేస్ చేయడానికి లేదు, కాబట్టి సో దిస్ పాసిబిలిటీ ఈజ్ నాట్ రిక్వైర్డ్. ఓన్లీ వన్ పాసిబిలిటీ we left, that is this one. Remaining person, that is D. So D is placing, D and F are facing different directions. So D and F are placing different directions. So it is the final output of the puzzle. Who among the following persons sitting second to the left of D? So second to the left of D, that is A. Question number 37. Which among the following doesn't belonging into the group? So A, C, D, E, G. So A is north and C is north and D is north and E is south and G is north. So E is the odd one out. Who among the following persons sit exactly middle of the row? So it is the middle one, that is E. How many persons are facing south? So 1, 2 and 3. Total 3 persons are facing south. Who among the following person is sitting to the immediate left of F? So immediate left of F, that is D. Okay. So it is the complete paper of the 2015 paper, and remaining we will discuss next class.